day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azan Arrest Auto. Today I'll be working on the 2008 Camry. The customer complained that the jar is stuck in third jar. You can select from first to third jar. This happened when he did some work on the AC. So I want to diagnose what the problem is. And he also have some little bit of drivability issues, especially when on high speed. But on low speed, everything seems to work well. So we are going to diagnose and see what the problem is. The battery, okay. So you can see that the engine has 6 fault code, the ABS 7, but the scanning is fast, thank God. But we have some models that are saying no response. For the engine, you have the camshaft position sensor 1, timing over advance. The same thing, timing over advance, thermostat bending, oxygen sensor circuit, ignition coil 1, coil A, coil B, coil D, pressure control solenoid A, performance stock in off. Yeah. Now we have all. So from what you can see from the fault code, we have 3 ignition coils that are not working well. We have the camshaft sensor A, we have over advance and over retarded in bank 1. Of course, this is a 4-cylinder engine, so it has only 1 bank. Here is where we are going to concentrate on this P0746. Especially this particular solenoid is off. So first of all, let's clear the codes. Then we'll clear the codes, and we'll see if that code will return. So I've cleared all the fault codes, so we'll start the engine. Now see. Car is presently on now. So what we'll do, we'll take a test drive. Okay, just only the immobilizer fault. Let me see that sensor. I think sensor A, that is stock, that is currently off. Solenoid A, sorry. So we are going to look for those solenoids. Okay, let us check the speed sensor. Then okay, we'll have all the jars here. So I'm going to test the shifting of this jar. Presently we are in park. Let me look for park and neutral, shift status, and first jar, solenoid status. Okay, let me just pick all what I need. Okay, let me take those to the top. Those are what I need for now. Presently we're in park, so we'll go to reverse. Reverse is on, so you can see the reverse is on. Go to D is on. Okay, neutral is on. Yeah, D is on. Now the shift status, this state is in first jar. So the shift status is still stating in first jar. This particular solenoid still remains off, lockup off. So we are going to test drive and see if our shift status will change. You can select up to the D, but when we get to the D, it doesn't change. Sorry. So we are going to do a test drive. So we are going to test drive and see how the shift status change. And here you can see that all solenoid, this one is off. Lockup is off. Presently we are on D drive. Okay, it has shifted to the second jar. As you can see, we are driving. It has shifted to the third jar and to the fourth. Back to third. And now we are on the fourth jar. We are on the fourth. We are still on the fourth jar. Just take it easy, don't rush. We are still on the fourth jar. Supposed to downshift by now to the third jar. Considering the speed we are on. We're still stuck in fourth jar. And we are on, look at the speed, less than 40 miles per hour. We're still stuck in fourth jar. Find a way to this. Okay, now it has gone to third jar now. It has gone to second jar. That was after you pressed the brakes. After applying the brakes, it has shifted back to the fourth jar. Go to that filling station and let us just answer the third jar. Okay, notice why this particular sensor is off. So we are still driving. Yes. Let's confirm this filling station. Okay. It has shifted to first jar now. Okay. So let me check if there are any error codes. If there are no error codes,
Connection.
Okay, LCD sensor circuit, low voltage. The error code has nothing related to jar. So let's go back to the live data, or let's just drive. Let's just drive and see. So are we allowing him to do a test drive and for a longer period? So now we are on the express. We are still looking at. We are still going to check. Presently now it has engaged in the fifth jar. You know, where we were before, we couldn't accelerate fast because because of the road. So we are on the express. Now this solenoid still remains. It's on now. It's off, on, off, on, off. Now that's a good sign, but at least we have an idea of. We are still on the fifth jar now. We are still on the fifth jar. So we are about taking a turn, and we are going to drive for a longer period. You can see from first jar, it has moved to second. It's on third. It's still on second. It's on third now. Still on third jar. On the fourth jar. Now this solenoid is on now, so you can see on the fourth jar is on. Okay, it's off now. We are on fifth jar. Still on fifth jar. It's off. You know what? It's on fourth now. Back to fifth. Still on the fifth jar. Back to fourth. So I guess we are experiencing a little bit of delay in shift. Let's park by the side. Don't enter. Let's park by the side. Okay, we are steady now. I still want to check if we still have error code. Let me go back and check if there's any error code. Okay. Okay. Camshaft timing over retarded. Okay. So this is the error code we have. The error code for this thing. The error code for the transmission has not come up. Okay. So let me rescan this whole thing. Let me do a rescan and see. Sorry for the glare. We still have those 3 fault codes. Okay.
Take care of
that
time.
You have to take care of that one. So we are going to, because the engine was worked on. It has been re-ringed, and is the the gasket was changed. So let me reset the memory of the transmission and let us learn new values and see and see see how it affects. So turn the ventilation off, turn it back on. So start and we'll test drive. So let's go. Start.
So get it to another stop.
Yes, we have to go back to the shop now. So let me also check the engine temperature sensor. Let's see what we are getting.
It's like once in a while, sir. From my experience today, once in a while, one should be visiting you for medical checkup. No, because
It's good. It saves you a lot of money at times.
yes, because this, the way if this my car was driving like this, I won't have any reason to come and meet you.
That's true.
I mean, if it was driving like this, I would thought it's good enough. But even at this now, you can still see all these errors that are still persisting. So that means once in a while, not that until the car breaks down.
I've test drive the car and I did a final scan, and this is the report of the scan. We have camshaft position sensor timing over advanced or system performance bank 1. The error code for the transmission didn't return. So, and since he said he will ring the engine and he changed the gasket. So we'll allow, I'll ask the mechanic to also check that the camshaft sensor is okay. If the camshaft sensor is okay, we'll check if the timing was properly set, because definitely when they re-ring the engine, they will definitely do the timing before they will assemble the engine. So I guess that is where the problem is. This is Azan RS Auto. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. And the car has driven well. It was able to select from jar for the first jar to the fifth jar and back, and his transmission shifted very well. But though we experienced a little bit of delay from 3 to 4, but after I did the memory reset, the selection improved. Thank you for watching.